Today is day 3. We are at Lake Louise and we are going to climb a mountain. I have tea. Have some tea. Climbing a mountain ain't no joke. Ain't no joke. We're faring well at the Fairmont.
I'm looking at it and you're not.
No,
wait.
Look at
no!
it.
Ah!
Down there. And we made it to the top of the little beehive. And down the mountain! We gotta summon the god of the mountain goats to get down here safely. I would like this so much better, going in an upwards direction. Echo! Echo! Bonjour! Ça va bien? Cell service in the mountains. Can you hear me now?
No.
Facebook in the mountains.
No. I'm trying to say happy birthday. Happy birthday, Rhonda!
Happy birthday, Rhonda! We'll see you later when you get back. This is lovely. Summary of day 3. We spent most of the day hiking. I've done a total of 20 kilometers according to my step counter. And I went to the top of a mountain. I was at the top of a mountain. I called my mom from the top of a mountain because I had cell service. And I got nominated for the Ice Bucket Challenge not once, but twice. I've completed it once, and I'm going to do it 2 times because it's Carolyn's little niece, and I really don't want to break her heart, so I'm going to do it a 2nd time. She's a little girl, and she did it so sweetly, and I just can't. I gotta do it again. Right now we're waiting for Rhonda because it's her birthday. She's been spending the day with her friend, and we have some little something for her.
Surprise!
So we're just waiting on Rhonda.
Birthday, dear Rhonda. Happy birthday.